It is, but you want to go get it? And then the traffic.
And then the truck stop. Ah. Apple.
What did you get?
An apple, a candy cane, and toasty crackers.
What did you get?
Same thing. See?
Apple, candy cane, and a toasty cracker, and a bag that's ripped. Perfect.
I'm keeping my bag.
Look, Uncle Matt's blocking traffic.
Good job.
All this for 2 kids. We are so special. What do you think, Lukey? Yeah, they're coming back. You get to say hello to Santa one more time before next week. Dad's got the smoker going.
Hey, Bubber. What? Why's that for, man? Okay, switch it. You want some steak?
Thank you. Here he comes. Thank you. Look at Santa and all his helpers.